What's up guys, Lucas and Salome here from SurfTrainingFactory.com, and today we're actually going to get a little video of Ital Bowls making awesome Açaï Bowls, which are super healthy and
so good.
Fantastic, especially after a surf session like we had. So let's go check it out.
Two of them? $19 for both.
Alright guys, we're in here, they're getting started on the Açaï Bowl. So the magic happens. Magic bowl right here. So what ingredients did you guys use on this first bowl here that I have in my hand?
So that one has the classic acai mix. It's got frozen banana, strawberry, and the organic acai.
Awesome.
On top we got organic mango, blueberry banana, local honey, and fresh granola.
Woo.
And then this one's a classic bowl. This is how it comes: blueberry, banana, local honey, organic granola on top.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
Thank
too.
you.